Hi, thought I'd make this video. It's in about 3 parts. As I say, time at the moment with work, I've just got to move them in between. So this is a problem on the 2 Series. It's not if, it's when, and they're going to have to be replaced. It will bring SOS on the dashboard, it can upset the radio, it can upset navigation and all sorts of things. They're on other BMWs, but as I say, this is the 2 Series 2018. I looked on the TIS of how to actually take the battery out, and I couldn't find how to actually remove the telegraphic or whatever the hell that is out. So I've showed you how to do that, showed you how to get the battery out. It will have to be changed, so I'm going to leave you to the next part of the video. Just like to thank all the subscribers. I've got 100 now. I mean, I don't feel like a vicar on a Sunday morning now, but thank you. At least I've got someone listening, and I hope this is going to help when you get a problem with these cars, because these codes, this is what it means. Okay, thanks. I'll let you listen to the next guy now. Thank you. Bye. Good afternoon. It's a daytime one. We got a BMW 2 Series in with fault codes, and I'll show you the fault codes. Fault codes. Which is putting an SOS light on, and it's the only codes on the car. Now this is a 2018, and what's meant to happen, reading, there's 2 places it can be on the 2 Series. There's one where it can be behind that there, or it's sitting up in there, and as you can see, look, take that, and this is the battery, which I can't see me. Well, you just pull that out of there. As you go, remember, and here's the new one. So, and then pop it back in again. Come on, baby. I'm gonna have to put the old camera down. As you can see now, it's actually clicked in. To get this out here, I found best to use a flat screwdriver, a little stumpy screwdriver, and it just sits underneath and then unclips. So push that back in there. To get it out, there's this lever, and that then goes back up here. Let's see if we can. You have to put your back down again. Okay, I'm back again. Sorry about that, but you can't do it with hold the camera and try and push it in. So what happens is, where you've actually got it there, it fits up underneath, and then you slip it backwards and actually push it in there, and it will click into place. But to undo it, you have to put your finger in here and just pull that down and slide it back, and it will come out. Just be careful of your headlining. There's two little clips. There's one clip there, and there's another clip there, which you just lever them out, which will then give you an amount of space, and put it back. I'm hoping that's helpful. I'm going to say just clear the coats, and away we go. Okay. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye. Back again. Okay, I forgot to turn around and say, as I say, I've got it back in now. As you can see, we haven't got any creases, and it fits pretty well. And then there's another clip here which goes up there, so it slides in like so, and oh, I love plastic, don't you? Jesus Christ. And it clicks into place like that, and as you can see, we haven't got any creasing, and that's the quickest way I've found to do this. As I say, just be careful, don't yank and pull it all out, otherwise it'll just look a mess afterwards, won't it? Anyway, now I'm definitely going. Thanks for watching. Cheers. Bye.